Hey, this is Frank.
This is Fred Rogers.
Welcome to Shop Tech. It's great to have you here, Mr. Rogers. I used to watch your show all the time when I was a kid.
When you were a little boy, what kinds of things did you like to do?
Well, this is a little bit off topic, but I like to light things on fire, make fart noises, and smash things with a hammer to see if I can put them back together again. What about you?
When I was a little boy, I would watch my dad and my uncle and my granddad shave.
Oh, wow, that's interesting. Let's get to what the viewers came for. Do you want to stick around and help?
Oh, sure. I'm not in any hurry.
All right, great. Today I'm going to lay out my concept for turning this Wltoys P929 into a solid axle mega truck.
Of course, that's all make-believe.
No, Fred, I'm serious. I want this thing to have a tube frame, oil-filled shocks, have the steering servo mounted to the frame. I may even make an option for rear steering. I plan on using all the electronics, including the LiPo. Do you even know what a LiPo is?
They're batteries.
Wow, I'm impressed. You know more about RC than I thought. Let's take this thing apart to see what we have to work with. This screw is stuck. Can you hand me that torch?
I think that could cause a lot of fire.
Yeah, I guess you're right. How about that hammer?
Furry and brown.
No, the orange one.
That's a red one.
Whatever, just give me the hammer. Thanks.
Stop. Hammer time. Go with the flow. It is.
Wow, I can't believe that worked. Looks like we have some pretty good parts here. Got a few ball bearings, a drive shaft with pinion gears. We have an ESC and receiver unit, a motor, a servo, good spring. We have the axles. The best part is this differential. I plan on 3D printing an axle housing to hold this.
He has such great ideas.
The benefit of using these Wltoys parts is that I'll be able to actually have a working differential over this barrage, for example. The axles in this barrage are locked. Hey Fred, do you know how a differential works?
Oh, yes. I've read about that in the Bible.
Okay, well, for those of you that don't know, it is a gearbox that transmits power to the wheels, but allows the wheels to turn at different speeds.
There are so many interesting things to learn in this world, aren't there?
There sure are, Fred. This is a sketch that I made of the frame. This is a full-scale sketch.
Now, where do you suppose the batteries fit here?
Well, I'm not exactly sure. Probably somewhere in this area. I'll make a decision when I get a little further in the design. I plan on 3D printing a prototype frame before building the tube frame. That puts a wrap on today's episode. In the next video, I will start building the front axle. Thanks for joining me today, Fred. I'll see you later.
See you later, Dick.